Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive jewelry business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our jewelry business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you on how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will start by creating a new workspace for our new jewelry startup called Gemstone Gallery. Okay, once we create a workspace, it will lead us to the Workspace Setup wizard that will ask us step-by-step questions that we need to answer, so AI will learn more about our business idea. Now, let me tell you, a workspace in Upmetrics is a set of business planning tools that include a business plan builder, a financial projection tool, a pitch deck builder, and a set of strategic planning templates. So, before you start creating a business plan, you need to create a workspace and set up the workspace. When you initialize a workspace, you need to answer some questions. It will ask questions like, what does your business do? Here, you need to define a brief about your business idea, such as what products or services you offer and who is your target audience. Let me show you how we can answer it like, I, John Doe, along with my partner Jane Doe, plan to launch a jewelry business named Gemstone Gallery, located in a trendy area of downtown Austin, Texas. Gemstone Gallery will specialize in handcrafted, best popular pieces, including rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, etc. So this is how you can define your business idea. You can upload your business logo over here. Next, if you have a tagline, you can write it over here, or otherwise, you can create and choose your tagline using AI. Now here, pick the industry of your business. It is a retail and e-commerce industry. The company stage, it's in the idea stage. Is this company currently in operation? No, we are moving ahead. We are going to operate from the US, so no need to make any changes from here. We are moving ahead. What is your current funding situation? We are bootstrapped. Are you looking for funds for your startup? Yes, we are looking for some funding. Let's say $40,000, we are looking for a small business loan. The purpose of business planning is to seek an investment. Now here, AI will generate small questionnaires like 10 to 15 questions around our business ideas that we need to answer. Based on those answers, AI will learn more about our business ideas. Later, it will help draft a business plan for us. Let's see what questions it will create for us. Okay, so the first question is, what is the core mission and vision of your business, and how does it align with the customer values? You can write your answer here. Otherwise, you can refer to the AI-generated answers over here. You can use AI-generated answers and later customize and personalize your answers. We are going to use AI-generated answers to quickly move forward for this demo. We are selecting all AI-generated answers. Okay, so we answered all 15 questions. Now moving ahead. Here you can invite your team members, your stakeholders, and mentors. They will help you to prepare your business plan together. Now, once you are done with the workspace setup, it leads you Workspace menu. As previously said, your workspace includes a set of business planning tools like Business Plan Builder, Financial Projection Tool, Pitch Deck Builder, and Strategic Planning Canvas. Now, we are moving ahead to initialize our Business Planning Builder, and we will ask our AI to write a business plan for us. With a single click, it will start writing a business plan for us. So here, it has included many different chapters like a company overview, product and services, market analysis, competitor analysis, marketing and sales, operations plan, and milestones and metrics. Let's see what it has written in the executive summary. Gemstone Gallery is a bespoke jewelry business dedicated to crafting unique, handcrafted jewelry pieces that reflect individual tastes and personal stories, founded by John Doe and Jane Doe. Our mission is to provide high-quality craftsmanship and customization options to customers seeking authenticity and originality in their jewelry choices. Now, let's say if you want to rewrite or improve this section, you can always use our AI writing assistants. It will help you to auto-write, auto-improve, shorten, expand, and even you can use a professional, persuasive, and academic tone in your content. Now moving ahead to our company overview section. When we look into a company overview, it has written the overview of our business. Along with that, it has also included a graphical element here like a business owner's chart. Now going ahead, it has even written one product description section like bespoke engagement ring. Also, it has added a regulatory requirements section. In the market analysis chapter, it has an added market size chart with market trends, market growth, and other sections. Now, let's say if you want to write a SWOT analysis for your jewelry business, drag and drop a SWOT analysis from the left sidebar. Simply click on the right with AI option. There, just write a quick prompt like, I am writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please help me write the strength section in a very brief and listicle way. Simply click on Auto Write. It will auto-write the section. It will write a strength section of the SWOT analysis for your jewelry business, so you don't have to write this from scratch. In a similar way, you can write the other sections like weakness, opportunity, and threat. Now, go to the financial plan chapter. Here, we will find some financial reports. We can see all these figures are zero or empty here. That is because your financial forecasting setup is incomplete. We need to set up our financial forecasting tool. Let's follow this instruction and complete the financial forecast setup. To complete the financial setup, we need to provide these three parameters. First financial forecast started, second financial forecast duration, and third fiscal year started. Let's say our financial plan is starting in January 2024. We are doing a business plan for 3 years. Our fiscal year is starting in January, as per the US calendar. Okay, so now it has initialized our financial module. Now, you can enter here your revenues, operating expenses, cost of sales, salaries, funding, and assets assumptions. Let's start with adding revenue details of our jewelry sales. Let's say we are selling 200 units per month with an average pricing of $250 per unit. Based on our marketing and sales, we are expecting to have a 2% growth in sales. Based on sales, we have generated this forecast, but let me tell you, we won't start generating revenue immediately because it will take some time to set up the business and operations. Let's say we start selling our operations in July 2024 because it will take time to set up the store, office, and business operations, so our revenue will be started in July 2024. Now, let's add the cost of sales. Let's say we're purchasing the material and craftsmanship and it will be 60% of our revenue. Next, let's add the operating expenses. We will ask the AI assistant to suggest some operating expenses for our jewelry business. So let's choose store rent, digital marketing, storage cost, and business license. These are the associated operating expenses. Let's add rent. Let's say every month we are spending $2,000 for store rent. Next, digital marketing. Let's say we are spending $1,500 on digital marketing and advertising every month. Let's say for the storage cost, we are spending monthly $500. For the business license, let's say every year we spend $1,000. So we are done with adding all the operating expenses. Now, let's add personnel expenses. We will ask AI to suggest some personal expenses for our jewelry business. Let's choose the general manager, sales associates, and accountant. To the general manager, we are paying $5,000 in salary every month with a 10% year-on-year increment. To the sales associate, we are paying a $4,500 monthly salary with a 10% yearly increment. To the accountant, we are paying a $3,500 monthly salary with a 10% year-on-year increment. Let's add funding. For funding, we are taking a bank loan. We are taking a $40,000 loan for 24 months and an interest rate of 12% a year. Now let's add assets. We will purchase some jewelry-making equipment and initial material stocks. Let's say we are spending $25,000 for these assets with a 50% salvage value. Now, we are done with adding all the essential financial components like revenue, cost of sales, expenses, funding, salaries, and assets. Now, it should have calculated all the essential financial parameters like cash in, cash out, and other required financial metrics. Okay, so on our dashboard, it has also calculated our cash flow, cash on hand, income and expenses, retained earnings, profit breakdown, and expense breakdown. Also, it has a calculated break-even report as well. Let's see when we are going to be profitable. By February 2026, we will be profitable in our business. So, this is how you will know based on your assumption that you will be profitable by February 2026. And to start this business, you still need around $98,000 of funding. Now, under the Reports section, it has calculated all key reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. It has also calculated break-even, ratio analysis, and other financial reports. Now, let's move back to the financial chapter of our business plan. Here, now we can see it is showing all the data over here. This data was 0 previously, but now it is showing figures in the reports. Let's say, if you want to display some financial charts or reports in your business plan, simply go to the Financial section from the left sidebar. There you will find financial reports and financial charts over here. Simply drag and drop these charts. Let's say if you want to display a break-even chart, simply drag and drop it in your business plan. So it will display your break-even chart into your business plan. So we are done with writing our business plan and also preparing our financial projections. Now, if you want to design your cover page, simply go to the cover page section where you will find a set of cover page options, and even you can set your brand color over here. Once you are done with writing your business plan, go to the download section. You can download your business plan in a PDF and a doc format. Even you can share it online using a link to your investors, to the banks, and to the stakeholders.